Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Fitness Legion UK reviews from United Kingdom. Let's see whether this website is a legend or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So let's see what this website is offering to the customers. This website is mainly about the fitness products. You can see the treadmills, Samsung TV, gaming desktop, so many products. Treadmill. You can see there are a lot of products along with a reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. So let's go to the payment option. So payment they receive by MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express, etc. Let's go to the shipping policy. They do shipping and deliver the product in 3 to 5 business days. So let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a legit or a scam. This is protected by HTTPS, that means the payment gateway is safe and secure. It is registered on 29th December 2020 and expires on 29th December 2021. That means it is recently registered website and registered for a short period of time. So let's go to the About Us page. So About Us page is not mentioned in the website. So you don't get any information and details regarding this website. You don't get any information about the founder and owner of this website. That is one negative point about this website. Let's go to the contact address. So here they have given the physical address along with the phone number and email ID, sales@fitnesslegion.uk. So let's go to the social media presence. So it is available on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. But I don't see much visitors to this website. It is not much active on social media. So that is one negative point about this website. Let's go to the return and refund policy. So they accept return within 14 days. So they do full refund if you return the product within 14 days. So they say they do 100% money back guarantee. So let's go to the customer reviews. So the reviews related to the products are updated in the website. If you see the reviews, all reviews are good. They rated full star. But if you Google it, I don't see much reviews on Google and it is rated 2.1. They say the phone number is not valid and they don't deliver the product and they don't respond well. So there are mixed reviews. So let's go to the content detailing. It is quite fine. There is no spelling errors. The products are not well specified. I can see the duplicate images. So guys, based on the above discussion, I can say this website is possibly a suspicious website because I can see there are few negative points about this website. So I request you all to do your research effectively. Check all the points from this website before investing any money, before buying any products. So go through all the points. So guys, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments on every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Be informed, be safe.